Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For this video, I'll show you guys how I like to use Google Bard, which just got a massive new upgrade. So for those who are unaware, Google Bard is one of those AI generative programs such as ChatGPT, where you could input text and have it respond in a very lifelike artificial intelligence way. So for this one with Google Bard, I'll be showing you guys some of the new features and how to use them after it got a massive upgrade. So back then, you could only really send text prompts to Google Bard. But this time, there's now a handy feature where you can automatically upload files and images and have Google Bard do the transcription prompt from there. For example, here, I'm gonna ask the Google Bard AI to describe this picture of a dog. And as you can see, and pretty much instantaneously, the Google Bard AI was able to give me a very detailed description of this photo I sent. As you can see, by selecting this option on its reply, I can choose a shorter, longer, or simpler request response. For example, let's extend this Google Bard response. If you didn't think a couple of paragraphs is long enough, we can make it much longer than this. And here's another example of a shorter reply response. If by clicking this button as well, we can choose to share, export this response to Docs, or create an email draft in Gmail. Since this is Google's own AI algorithmic program, it has full integration with a whole number of Google Suite applications. Not only can we share these things on the Google platform, but we can even create a public link to share this response. We can even have Google Bard itself generate its own headline for the prompt that we're trying to share. And of course, on the left-hand side, all our chat and conversations with this Google Bard is saved and transcribed through this menu. We can choose to pin, rename, or delete a conversation. Interesting to note though is that you can also use the left-hand side conversation history to reference older prompts to newer prompts. And that's really all the new features that Google Bard AI has with its new massive upgrade. If you have any other questions or inquiries, or just want to talk about the Google Bard AI platform, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you feel like you learned something new, don't forget to like this video. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.